Is it worth it? Can you even hear me? Standing with your spotlight